Welcome back, traders. Today I wanted to do a review, kind of a weekly check-in on my Apex PA account, my funded account that I got from them. So it's been a bit of a tough week in the market. If you're trading ES like I am, it's just been really volatile and then suddenly condenses to almost nothing. So it's been a tough market. I'll say this. I don't like to blame anything on the market. Don't get me wrong. It's just tough conditions for this strategy to work in, okay? So here's kind of my current stats on this PA Apex account. Um, you can see I've got here, it's only a 40% win rate, so that's not great, and a 1.06 profit factor. I'll get into that in just a second here. If we start in the month of January, my goal with this account is mainly to just take one trade per day. So in this one, I took two trades, but you can see how small this first loss was. By the way, to give you a little bit of an idea on how I am managing this account differently, my journaling takes a step up when I'm in a funded account. I'm much more methodical, I'm much more detailed, and I just want to make sure that I know exactly what is going on with my mindset as I'm trading a live account versus a sim account, a challenge account, right? It feels a little different. Now I can actually get a payout. So it just has a different weight to it. And not only am I detailing a lot more in my journal entries, I'm actually reviewing them weekly, which is a practice that I have just not been good at, period. So reviewing them weekly, even checking in on them before my day starts daily to see what I did right, what I did wrong, what I need to pay attention to, where I might have lost my focus. So had those two losses here. This is a $185 loss day. 192 here, two trades again, one rather small, one a little bit bigger. This one I had my single trade for $222. Good trade. I would say it was exactly what I was looking for, and I called the top of the market, right? I think that was an excellent trade. It got a 5 stars for me. Yeah, just felt great. That one was executed well. So trying to maintain your confidence after a 2 day in a row loss, it does start to weigh on you. That one kind of got my confidence back pretty good. Had another losing day. Wednesday was a no trade day. I didn't see a single setup. This was my heavy consolidation day. If you guys were in there, it was just, man, volume was non existent. So, bad trading day there. Thursday was probably somewhat similar, if I remember right. And I took a chance on it anyway and shouldn't have. So here I was actually going long. You can probably guess that 9 EMA comes across here, probably intersects right about there. And I took a long there, but it was just a trending day, or bearish, not bullish. Yeah, it's actually a pretty low day there. Here I had my better trade. So this was really a break even. I realized I was a little bit early on the trade, and it ticked for me and then back against me, and I was able to get out at break even. Wait a couple of minutes later, as you can see, looks like about 25 minutes later, when the right setup was actually there. And this was another fantastic trade. I gave it 4.5 stars here, but this is a short right here, and you can see where it kind of pulled back and hesitated up in these candles. So I was glad I waited. It just wanted to do a little bit more than this double top and then push down. And about called the bottom of that one before a decent pullback, but I could have held a little bit longer. Still perfectly content with that one. And I like to take screenshots here of my actual entries and exits so you guys can see that. That was my break even trade right back here. I waited for that bounce off the VWAP and then the rejection at the resistance zone. I'm doing my strategy slightly different right now. Just added one piece in to my indicator that I'm playing with. So that basically gave me 185, down 185 on week 4, up 145 week 2. Here we are into week 3, and you can see I had a red day yesterday, no trade again on Monday, and then Wednesday today actually had a pretty decent trade, but got out just in time here. Good follow through, but it started to hesitate on that candle, and I didn't want to risk it turning against me, so I took my $276 profit, which I'm only risking 100 and this was $156. As you can see here, right? My trade risk, because I sized down one contract instead of 6, I did 5 here. So still my normal 25 tick stop loss, but I was already beyond 1-to-1 ratio, risk to reward ratio, and that for me is a win. I'll take that all day, and just stay consistent with it. You can see my screenshot after to show how quickly that pulled back right after I got out. So that's been my as you can see, my actual PA chart here, exactly what it looks like. It's very much a yo-yo. I'm down, all right, I'm back to even. I'm back down, I'm up to even, or maybe a little bit above even. Back down, and now I'm $52 up, I think $42 net P&L after trading this for a full week, 7 days. So we'll keep on keeping on. Excited about the market, though. I really feel pretty dialed in right now. Thanks for checking in. See you in the next one.